Ever looked at your SD character and thought, why does he looks like a confused head on stilts? Yeah, that's probably because of this one overlooked thing, neck proportion. आज हम जानेंगे how a small line can tilt your whole sketch from cute to cliched. So, SD characters aka Super Deformed are those adorable munchkins with watermelon heads and baby limbs. But they still follow proportion science. As we reduce details and increase cuteness, neck length quietly shrinks, not randomly, but proportionally. जिसे हम कहते हैं लघुकरणीय संतुलन, means shrink balance ratio. Now, look at these characters. Some pose, same vibe, but look at the neck. Subtle yet game-changing. Realistic character has a visible, elongated cervical pillar. SD character, the neck compresses like it says Sayyam. Ultra SD, neck is almost symbolic, sometimes it vanishes. Shorter the body, shorter the neck. Not because it's cute, but because it stabilizes the skull to shoulder ratio. Without it, your character floats like spiritually detached coconut. Let's sketch this out. Start with big O SD head. Give it some majesty. Now, when you add the neck, imagine it's the Dharan Stambh, the pillar of expression. Too long, it became a flagpole. Too short, it became Garbhavas mode. Use simple volumes. Think cylinder for neck, square mass for body, then compress the cylinder based on cuteness level. More chibi equal to less neck, more charm equal to adhik akarshan. Top 3 mistakes to avoid. Giving SD character realistic necks. Nope, that's jadta over cuteness. Second, making neck wider than the face. You are not building a fortress. Third, forgetting the neck entirely unless it's your style. That becomes a sweet repeat of structure. Look how this SD character tilts its head. Notice that tiny Prushtbandhan back connection, that's the compressed neck doing all the gracework. Add a little stretch, a little bounce, and now it breathes. So next time you draw an SD character, don't forget, neck isn't just decoration, it's the axis of animation. Balance it like a yogi, compress it like a master, and your characters will feel alive. Drop a Gandharvana in the comments if you have ever drawn a neck longer than your patience. Like, share and subscribe, or else your next Chibi might have a full giraffe spine.